Knife all over. Kick here, you can defend that way. My name's Neil Johnson. I teach Kung Fu in England. I've been doing martial arts since I was 6. The ultimate in Kung Fu is to not have to fight, which is quite funny when you spend hours and hours learning how to fight, but then the ultimate is to never fight. Yin yang. I've been coming to China since 1999, and I think it's my 21st trip. In England, all the movies with Bruce Lee, and it was really exciting. It was very different for Westerners. Okay. They call it Fujian Nan Xiaolin Dimian Kan Ban Shu, the ground technique methods of fighting and binding. Okay. When we practice on the ground, rolling, fighting, it looks a bit like dogs. So the local people in the village used to call it, it's the dog boxers.
好，就给你走了啊！老公，给你求欧啦。我的一些技术啊，我基本上也都传给他，因为他很真诚。跟了15年了，除了疫情这几年没来，每年都来一次。这个，哦耶，很好。哇
Marcel, I mean, look at him, he's 81. To be like that age is brilliant. 他的袖子 is what? 每天师傅做接力
啊，对，练这个。哇
Shibolin and Darcy Shong, their detail is very good, and so it's worth me coming halfway around the world. Every time there's always little bits you learn and bits you improve on. Martial arts takes a long time, but like anything, when you spend time on something, it makes it worth it. This is 15年, so 15 years so far, and I used to do White Crane before for 10 years. And we used to come to China, and Marcelin did a thing called Shadangao, and he locked my leg up, and I was like, and I was like, I must learn this.
一开始他来学，我们是想应付，他为了表示我是真心的要把地图拳学好，所以我到英国受过半个月，机票、签证他帮我都搞了。出关以后他在外面大叫。师傅，跟孙悟空见到师傅的样子了。我说，地图拳虽然是很神奇，也不是说单单属于我们中国的，应该也是属于世界的嘛。
Go, come on, one. Go, 1, 2, good. I teach Kung Fu in England. We've probably got about 240 students in all. So everybody else benefits from me coming to China. So. 第一个小心没问题，然后就是受伤。
对，
不知道这名字，这个
踝关节
破了，
所以要破坏它的平衡。
I wanted to write the true history of dog boxing and the methods that we use to train. Been doing the book now for about 4 years, so we're nearly finished.
来一个，他动作分解啊，这边方向也拍。Go。哇！
Trying to write a book on martial arts with words, it's almost impossible to explain the movements. I'm taking photos using the phone and copying them out to make a step-by-step. The pictures really help understand the movement as well. I don't know if this is the right thing to say, but I'm not interested in selling hundreds of books and making money. I'm interested in the history and documenting the history for Master Lin.
地图拳是国家级会议吧，是稀有拳种。如果再不练下去，这个就失传了嘛。
So I was aware that the older masters that generation will scarily pass on eventually, and then all of that knowledge will be lost. But my actions in doing it is to pass it on more. The book will help promote the style. 这是的套路名字，然后的地面看板是什么？哦，然后师傅啊，对。So although my Chinese is very basic, we work together, and that's how we get it better. To be honest, they're a bit like my Chinese family, and they say I'm their English son. When I first came to China, everybody looks the same. When you meet people for a long time, it doesn't matter what country you come from. We all have 2 arms, 2 legs. Everybody wants to be happy. Everybody wants to be loved. Everybody wants a good family. So we're all the s
中国功夫